Hi, I'm Blue Dragon from Twitch. Today I want to talk to you about the Elgato Stream Deck, the shortcuts that I use during my live streams, and maybe you will after this video. Let's get to it.
Alright, now that we're on the main PC here, we're going to talk about Elgato as a company in a whole. So Elgato has a multitude of products that are perfect for streamers or anyone who just likes to streamline their content in any way or fashion. So let's go over some of the other items that they have, and then we'll get to the Stream Deck. Let's see what they actually have. You want to make a studio? Just go to the website. They have exactly everything that you need for your streaming setup. Everything from capture cards to the Stream Deck to their cam link and all the way up to the green screen. I have that too. Key lights for lighting. All right, now let's talk about the Stream Deck. So the Stream Deck by itself is amazing. Depending on what you need, they got what you have. Depending on what you need, they have it. They got the Stream Deck XL, huge amount of buttons. I wish I had that one. Standard Stream Deck originally came out, and the Stream Deck Mini. This is actually what I currently have. And again, I actually regret getting the Mini because now I wish, as I've come more and more into being a streamer and a content creator, I wish I had those more buttons that I didn't need to go into other folders and whatnot, but I'll show you what I do to get around with that. They even have a mobile app so you can turn your phone or any mobile device into a Stream Deck with live action buttons. All right, so what we have here is the Stream Deck's software. Again, I have the Mini, so I only have 6 buttons to show you what I have, but I have it really organized. I have all my stream controls, my camera controls, separate sound effects, my Discord quick buttons, Spotify quick buttons, and my HuBulb quick buttons. And that's just scratching the surface. This is just my default home screen. What I want to talk to you about mostly today is the buttons that I use while I'm live on Twitch. So once you push a button and it actually works live, I'm seeing what I'm doing on screen here that you see is actually updating and changing on my Stream Deck on my desk. So within my stream controls panel, I have my live, my end, my Spotify folder, all my quick Twitch buttons, and my OBS buttons. Let's go into OBS. So this is where I'm usually hanging out at when I'm live on stream. It's just my quick accesses to making a clip in Twitch, changing to my just chatting screen, my main screen that we're currently on right now, and then my BRB screen. What I like about my main screen button here is that you can see that it has 7 actions down here below. So within that, I have it set up to where it automatically unmutes my microphone, switches to my main screen display, and it changed to my in-game 1 on OBS. There's a small delay, and then it changes to in-game 2. I'll show you what this one does in a minute. Has another small delay, changes my music to level 25. When I'm in like BRB or the stream is starting up, I will be in usually sitting around like 55, and then it will switch to in-game 3. I'll show you what that does here right now. So let me just go to our talk screen. And then say I'm here, we just started the stream, and we're ready to game, right? So that 1, 2, 3 is actually hidden, and you'll see what it does right here. Here we go. Boom. That was actually transitioning to 3 different scenes. So you saw my transition come up, but then you saw a fade to another screen, fade to another screen. That's a little bit more OBS magic, but it is blending the 2 software programs kind of together to pull off that effect. So, and again, I have basically what I like to call some little safety precautions. So like in my BRB, you see 11 actions here, right? So in that, it will switch, it will deactivate my mic. So muting my mic, small delay, 100 seconds. I always recommend when you're doing multiple actions, have some sort of delay in between, because sometimes if you stack too many commands at once, it'll skip to the next delay, or it can just stop. That's about the only issue I've really had, other than maybe like clicking a button and it not instantly activating. That's really the only downfalls I've ever had with over a year of using the Elgato Stream Deck. So back on target here. So it goes to the BRB screen, small delay, says something nice in chat, right? I'll be right back. Let's turn up the music, which we always do, like I said, and then boom, the music turns up to 50. another small delay. It's actually not really a small delay, 5,000 ms. And then it just pumps out my schedule. And it looks like the chat is coming from me also, by the way, another delay. And then it has me posting my chat emotes for people can see the emotes if they're hanging out in chat and they're not already subbed. So there's multiple things that you can do. Let's kind of get into those now. All right, so now I want to talk to you about the two buttons that I absolutely love, and could not live without on my Stream Deck. Streaming can be, or content creation in general, can be really stressful if you got 15 things you got to do before you even go live. So if you're running late or something like that, I don't have to worry about that as much because of these two buttons, the live button and my end button. I'm going to show you the secrets behind my live button. As you can see, my live button has 30 actions in just one click. That's it. 30 actions. Let's take a look at them. All right. So computer boots up. I'm ready to stream, let everything get going. And all I have to do is have OBS open, have my game open, have Spotify open. Usually I have Discord open also. And then boom, just hit live. When I hit live, it automatically tells OBS to go to my start screen. Small delay, like I said, always have a small delay. I should actually have a delay in here too, but I don't. So it turns my lights on, turns them to white, because I like to have the white when I'm streaming to help with extra light, and cranks up the brightness all the way. Small delay, mutes my microphone. This is all in a matter of seconds. Starts playing my favorite playlist, all copyright free music, through 99 lives. Then sets the volume to 50. So we got a nice healthy sound volume there. Small delay, starts to shuffle that music for we don't get the same music every day, which is obviously great. Another delay, and then starts to play that soundtrack playlist. All right, small delay. Then the stream officially goes live. I don't have to click live in OBS. My Stream Deck tells OBS to go live. A 2-minute delay automatically tweets out that I have gone live with my link. You have to connect your Twitter account to your Elgato program here to do that. There's a couple integrations. Twitch, you have to do that too. YouTube, you have to do that for also. All right, small delay. With my Brio webcam that I have, I automatically set my focus. First off, with Brio, it has some things that are a little funky, but because of the Elgato Stream Deck, I don't have to go in and edit the options every single time because it likes to automatically reset the focus. This rips the focus all the way down to 0 manually. It changes my exposure rate to get this exposure, and then automatically changes my gain to balance out that exposure. Another delay, resets the volume to 25, which is the same volume that I use on my just chatting screen and when we're playing when we're actually live. Another small delay, unmutes my microphone, small delay, and goes to my just chatting screen. That's it. I just went from the 2-minute countdown that I do on my stream, made a tweet, started playing music, and went live and changed to my just chatting screen with one click. Absolutely love my Elgato Stream Deck. I don't know what I would do without it. And again, the only regret I ever had about my Elgato Stream Deck is that I bought the Mini. I wish I would have bought the Standard, and now I wish I had the XL. Totally not sponsored, by the way. This is not an ad. This is solely just me talking about how much I love my Elgato Stream Deck. All right, now let's go over my end screen. As you can see here, it has 13 actions all within this. All right, so when I click the end button on my Stream Deck, it will switch over to my end screen, mute my microphone, run the command credits roll, which is connected to my Pixel Chat end credit screen. So it automatically just starts rolling that. Awesome feature. Can be its whole other video. It might be the next one. Let me know in the comments below. Small delay, then tells chat, thanks for watching. See you next time. resets the volume to 55, so we're cranking up the volume again on our jams. Small delay, chat message, the schedule again, which is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then, even though I can't use it yet because I'm only an affiliate and I'm not partnered, but I already put it in there knowing one day I will be partnered on Twitch. But we got the play ads there, 3-minute delay, and that's to get all the credits to roll through because it has all kinds of beautiful stuff on there. Then it actually ends the stream and shuts down my playlist, so it pauses my music. All, again, in one button. Can't tell you how much I love this Stream Deck. All right, now let's talk about where you can buy it. So, right off the Elgato website, it can tell you pretty much a good set for the prices. So obviously during this time, 2020, absolute dumpster fire of a year, especially when it comes to buying electronics online, because everybody needs everything. So don't pay over these set prices that you see on the Elgato website. I've seen the Elgato extra large go for like $800. That's ridiculous. Don't overpay. Maybe a convenience fee for like you're ordering it from like the UK or something like that. You're paying a little extra in shipping or something like that. Do what you got to do. But know that these are the actual prices that they're selling them for. So you got the standard Stream Deck for $159.99. You have the XL $249.99 and the Mini for $79.99. These prices really haven't fluxed that much since they came out. You can occasionally find them for sale. I actually got my Mini for sale. I'm pretty sure it was a no, it's not used, but it's actually used because I got it for $69, but who knows? And that was, again, part of the reason why I got it. I wanted one really bad. Should have kept my $69 and just that standard one. I should have got the standard one. I want the XL. All right, now the big question. Why do you need a Stream Deck? Are you a content creator? Do you like to streamline the time it takes you to set up or to do a particular item that you know is just program based and you could probably refine that in a simpler way? Then you need the Elgato Stream Deck. It doesn't matter if you want to get the physical device, small one, medium one, a large one. You want to throw it on your phone, it doesn't matter. You want to throw it on a tablet, it doesn't matter. You can do it. If you can see the program and figure out a way to make it work together by putting it into a folder with other buttons, programming it to do multiple actions as you've seen in this video, it can streamline your content and save you a ton of time. If I had to give the Stream Deck a rating, 1 out of 10, I'd give it a 9.8. And again, that's using the Elgato Stream Deck for a year. I've only had a few issues with it. Where like I push a button, it'll change screen, but it won't run through the scroll of the list of the program. So, and then for a long time, I don't know, obviously I think it was a software issue where my top right button wouldn't work. And I actually looked into it and other people were having the same issue. I thought I might have had a faulty unit, especially because I got it on sale, like I said. But in a recent update, probably it happened about 4 months ago, it went away. I'm using my top right button again with no problem. So again, if you're a content creator, it doesn't matter if you're on YouTube, on Twitch, on Facebook, and you want to streamline things that you do on a daily basis, you need an Elgato Stream Deck. All right, I know this is probably a really long video for most of y'all. I appreciate you hanging out until this point. Again, I do stream on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to see Elgato in action, you can always follow me over there. I also, here, you can subscribe, comment down below if you use it or some of your favorite actions, and I'll see you in the next one. I just totally punched my mic, but I love you.